What's up everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Awesome. Radar fanning is one of the best activities that you can do and learn about trains. People also radar fan with friends, because it's fun, first of all, and we can make a lot of views on YouTube. They're not that famous, but they're pretty famous on YouTube, and they're very, and you should check this out, and they make a lot of, they don't make money, sadly, but they do make a lot of, people love them a lot. Today, there are only a few channels out there that can be the best, obviously. So we're gonna go over the top 5 best train channels. If you're new here, enjoy the content, make sure to subscribe to get notified when I post a vid. Also, like the vid if you liked it. Also, comment down below letting me know which channel you like and want to subscribe to. Number 5. Amtrak on Hand. I don't know if I pronounced it yet, but anyway, I just met this guy a few weeks ago. He's a pretty amazing guy who is only 13 years old, and yet, he still goes to school, he's still in 8th grade, and yet, he still travels all over Southern Cali for rail fanning. It's pretty amazing what he does. He also plays Train Simulator 2017, which by the way, it's a very famous game, and he posts some Go animes lately, occasionally, from time to time. So he's a very amazing guy, and his picture is cap car of a Pacific Surfliner. Number 4. Cotton Belt. This guy's name is Nicholas. This guy lives in East Coast in Virginia. That means he posts trains on the East Coast. He doesn't necessarily post Northeast Corridor trains or next train, but his video feeds are pretty cool. Trains that he records are CSX, Norfolk Southern, as you can see by his profile pic, by his channel icon, and Amtrak trains including the Palmetto and the Silver and the Auto Train also runs through this area. And he quit Go Anime a few weeks ago, but he still has some funny ones about Caillou getting grounded, and he also created Dave and Larry. And he doesn't play Train Simulator, but he plays another awesome game called Trains. Awesome game. I haven't played it, but I heard it's really good.
Looks like today's number 90 has a P40 leader. 816.
Number 3. Amtrak and AWVR fan. AWVR is not real, by the way. It's from the movie Unstoppable. Great 2010 movie. Great movie. Great awesome movie. I'm not gonna spoil it for you. Anyway, this guy's name is Kerry. He posts a lot of Southern California trains. Most of the trains he catches are BNSF, Union Pacific, Metrolink, Coaster, and Amtrak Pacific Surfliner. Occasionally, he sometimes goes to go to Northern California and records Caltrain, Capital Quarter, and ASC in San Juana. He also plays Railworks as well, and he's a very cool guy and plays with it. And he used to do Go Animates, but stopped recently. Sad. Number 2. Spencer Hugas. This guy lives in Orange County. He's a professional photographer. He uses very professional equipment, and besides training, he also records fighter jets and planes. They're amazing shots. Beautiful shots he does. Number 1 of all times, Coaster Fan 2105. This guy's the best rail fanner on YouTube. This guy's name is Mike Armstrong. He posts videos every day on Friday at 9 p.m. Please note. He posts about electric trains, diesel, freight, passenger, and commuter trains. He also has a train talk series in which he talks about trains and gives lectures about all these cool trains that are very fascinating and facts. He's been posting videos since 2008. Please check out the channel. He's really amazing. I love him so much. Love the channel so much. Well, that's all for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Peace!